First thing first, you want to open your web browser such as Chrome or Safari. Then on the Google search, you want to search for TurboTax. And then you want to click on the website called turbotax.intuit.com. Then, click on File Your Taxes at the top left of your screen, and tap on the File Taxes for a prior year, which will take you to this page, and on here you want to click on File 2023 Taxes option. And after you are choosing the year 2023, you may scroll down a bit, and you will see the available product or plan by TurboTax to filing your taxes for the year 2023. Choose carefully for the one plan that will suitable enough for you, then hit the Buy Now button right here, and choose on your operating system for your computer or laptop. Just make sure you are doing it on the desktop. After you added the desired product, click on Continue button to go to the billing section. And you may start to add your payment information. Then again, hit the Continue button to proceed your purchase. And after the purchase is done, you can download and install the software on your computer to prepare and file your year 2023 return. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.